Hello friends, if you use most of your time on Chrome and have the same website you frequently visit to, you can make it easily accessible when you change homepage on Chrome. This can be a great starter if you want to get information for a specific web page instantly. For this, you need to open Chrome on your Android or iOS device and click on the three dots. Now go to Settings, and once the Settings box opens, scroll to select Homepage. Turn on the home page for your Chrome, and now you can choose what page your home icon should indicate. For this, you can either select Chrome's home page or go for the second option that will enable you to customize home page. There you need to enter a web address. Go back to the initial page, and at the left corner you will see a home icon. Tap on it and you will be redirected to the website you just added as a home page. I hope this was a helpful video.